Next question was, it's on the electrical point. This person from UAE asks, what is the difference between TPN and TPMCB? Okay. TPN means triple pole with neutral, and TP means triple pole only. Along with this, he has asked, what is the difference between MCB and MCCB? This person is from UAE. Now, before the electricity enters the system, there must be control, a protection switch, the basic switch, so that we can control the flow of current. Now, in central plants, basically, we have three-phase supply. That is red, blue, yellow, RYB. So the switch will have three contacts for cutting off all the three phases. N means the neutral is also disconnected. Now let me show you on a slide if possible. See carefully. Slide show. The current slide. Now, this is, now take a look at this. Now the main power comes here and it goes into the panel. Here main switch, condenser pump, cooling tower, compressor. Okay. Now these are the switches that I'm trying to show you. Now we come to this. The switches. Now, take a look at this. Now, types of MCBs. First, single pole. First is single pole, right? The single pole. Is suppose red phase, we have only single phase supply. Then this MCB will switch off this phase. Double pole means two phases of phase are neutral. See, the pressure increases, right? Now we open this valve. The pressure will reduce and it will result in cooling. Okay. Now, if you repeat this process over again, this is air conditioning. This is very, very basic way to understand this, right?